Have you ever tried buying software and found yourself staring at 5 different versions? Basic, Standard, Premium, Professional, Ultimate, Enterprise. The names sound impressive, but they often leave customers asking one question: which one do I actually need? Years ago, Apple faced this exact problem in the software industry. Instead of following the competition, they made a bold decision that became one of the best examples of simple marketing. Today, we're going to break down why Apple chose to sell just one version of Mac OS X Leopard, why it works so well, and how you can apply the same strategy to your own business. Let's dive in. Before Leopard launched, buying software could be frustrating. Microsoft and many other software companies sold multiple editions of the same operating system. You might see versions like Home, Professional, Business, Enterprise, Ultimate. Each one had different features, different prices, different upgrade paths, different limitations. As a customer, you first had to figure out what every version included before you could even decide what to buy. This created something psychologists call decision fatigue. The more choices people have, the harder it becomes to make a decision. And sometimes, they don't make one at all. When Steve Jobs introduced Mac OS X Leopard, he joked about all those different software editions. He humorously listed several imaginary versions: Basic, Premium, Business, Enterprise, Ultimate. Then he said, they all cost $129. The audience laughed. Then came the surprise. Apple wasn't selling 5 versions, there was only one. It included everything, every feature, every capability. One product, one price, no confusion, no upselling, no hidden features. This wasn't just funny, it was smart marketing. Apple understood something many businesses forget. Customers don't enjoy comparing complicated feature lists. They want confidence. When people have fewer choices, they often feel more comfortable making a purchase. This concept is known as the PARS. Studies have shown that offering too many options can actually reduce sales because people become overwhelmed. Apple removed that problem completely. Instead of asking, which version should I buy? Customers only needed to ask, do I want Leopard? That dramatically simplified the buying process. Simplicity creates trust. Imagine walking into 2 restaurants. One menu has 300 different dishes, the other has 25 carefully selected meals. Which restaurant feels more confident in what it offers? Usually the smaller menu. The same principle applies to technology. When a company says, this is our product, instead of here are 6 different versions, customers assume the company believes in what they're selling. Apple's strategy removed uncertainty. And uncertainty is one of the biggest reasons people delay making purchases. You don't have to be Apple to use this strategy. Think about your own business. Do you have too many packages, too many service levels, too many confusing options? Instead of offering Basic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, Diamond, Ultimate, Elite, could you simplify them? Many successful businesses now use just 3 options: good, better, best, or even a single all-inclusive plan. The easier it is for customers to understand your offer, the more likely they are to buy. This doesn't mean you should eliminate customization. It means your pricing should be easy to understand. Customers appreciate transparency. You can see this strategy everywhere today. Netflix offers straightforward plans. Spotify keeps its pricing simple. Dropbox simplified its storage plans. Even many software companies now offer free Pro Business instead of dozens of different editions. The trend across the technology industry is moving towards simplicity because it improves the customer experience. If you own a computer repair business, an IT consulting company, or any service-based business, ask yourself, can your customers understand your pricing in less than 30 seconds? If not, it may be costing you sales. Simple pricing also makes it easier for your employees to explain your services. Instead of memorizing complicated packages, they can focus on solving the customer's problem. Apple's success wasn't just about making great products, it was about removing unnecessary friction. One version, one price, everything included. Sometimes the smartest business decision isn't adding more options, it's removing them. If this video gave you a new perspective on marketing and business strategy, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos about technology, business, and the lessons we can learn from the world's most successful companies. Now I'd like to hear from you. Do you prefer having lots of choices, or do you like simple, all-in-one products? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. 12 to 16 minutes, depending on your pacing and any visuals or examples you add. This script is structured to maximize viewer retention with a strong hook, storytelling, real-world examples, and a clear takeaway that viewers can apply to their own businesses.